Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. So today in this video I'm going to show you how to remove the messenger button on Facebook profile. So if you open up your profile, so if you want to remove the Facebook profile, there is actually no direct method or way to remove your messenger button, but there is a trick that you can try in order to achieve this. So if you get to your profile here, so go to your account settings, click on the settings button, and then scroll down and you will see your profile details. Click on it and then go to your date of birth, so basic info, click on edit. So edit your date of birth, and then when it's asked you to edit, so I want to change your date of birth, and you got to make sure your date of birth lies just make sure that your age is between 14 to 17, so either 14, 15, 16 or 17. So try to match up your age within this area, within these years. So I'm gonna adjust my date of birth in order to fit it within this range here. So click on confirm, and then once you've edited your date of birth here, your date of birth have now been updated. So now you will no longer have this messenger button on your Facebook profile. So as I said earlier, there is no direct way. This is just a trick or workaround that might work for some people. So just try it and see if it works for you. And I hope this video was helpful. I will see you in another video. Thank you.